A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Matthew. While Jesus was speaking to them, an official of the synagogue came up to him, bowed before him, and said, "My daughter has just died, but come and place your hands on her, and she will live." Jesus stood up and followed him with his disciples. Then a woman who had suffered from a severe bleeding for 12 years came up from behind and touched the edge of his cloak. For she thought, "If I only touch his cloak, I will be healed." Jesus turned, saw her, and said, "Courage, my daughter, your faith has saved you." And from that moment,